The rise of agentic AI, autonomous intelligence and its transformative potential. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just respond, but anticipates, plans, and acts independently. This is the promise of agentic AI, a revolutionary field poised to reshape our interaction with technology. Let's explore this exciting frontier. Agentic AI represents a significant leap forward in the evolution of artificial intelligence. It moves beyond the limitations of passive tools that simply react to commands. Instead, it embraces the concept of autonomous, goal-oriented systems capable of independent action and decision-making. This is a fundamental shift in how we interact with AI. Unlike traditional AI, which excels at specific tasks or data analysis, agentic AI aims to create intelligent agents. These agents can perceive their environment. They can learn from experience and proactively pursue objectives. This capability is what sets agentic AI apart. Agentic AI is not just about automation, it's about creating systems that can think, learn, and adapt. This will reshape our interaction with technology. Autonomy is a cornerstone of agentic AI, enabling systems to operate with minimal human intervention. They make decisions based on internal goals. These systems take actions based on information gathered from their surroundings. This allows for independent operation. Proactiveness is another key feature, with agents actively seeking information. They identify opportunities and plan for the future. Goal-oriented behavior is central, with agents programmed with specific objectives. Their behavior is geared towards achieving these goals. Learning and adaptation are crucial, allowing agents to learn from experiences. They refine strategies and adapt to changing circumstances. This continuous learning process improves performance over time. It allows the AI to become more effective. Agentic AI has vast potential across various industries. In manufacturing, it can enable autonomous management of production lines. In healthcare, it can assist in diagnosis and treatment planning. In finance, it can be used for portfolio management and fraud detection. Agentic AI can also be applied to address global challenges like climate change. However, ensuring safety, reliability, and ethical behavior is crucial. Addressing bias, transparency, and accountability is essential. We must develop robust and scalable architectures. These challenges must be addressed to ensure responsible development. This will maximize the benefits of agentic AI. Agentic AI represents a paradigm shift in the field of artificial intelligence. It promises intelligent systems capable of autonomous action. The potential benefits are immense, paving the way for a more active and impactful role of AI. This technology will transform our world. As we move forward, it's crucial to address the ethical and practical challenges. This will ensure responsible development and deployment. The future of AI is agentic, and it's up to us to shape it responsibly. Let's embrace this exciting new era. What are your thoughts on the rise of agentic AI? Share your comments below and let's discuss the future of autonomous intelligence together.